Lo Que Mi Gente, it's your boy Dio. Oh man, we have been blessed by Mother Nature in this February day. 50 something degrees right now, 54 I believe. Right before I left the house. Woo! You guys hear that? Oh my god. OMG. Oh man, guys, in this video I'm going to just kind of do a walkthrough of the bike and just show off and talk about some of the upgrades I've done to her. Woo! Whoa, saw that? Yo, ever since that pre-NEM ride, I've been trying my hardest to just dodge potholes left and right, but it is really difficult. But anyways, yeah, so in this video I'm gonna talk about all the upgrades I've done, and basically, yeah, that's it. Just show the upgrades, maybe talk a little bit about what's in store for her still, because there's still a lot to be done, and I mean a lot. So let me just go to Orchard Beach, pull up at the parking lot, and I'll show you guys around. Sheesh, a lot of people here today. I mean, it's only expected as such a nice day. So yeah, should be fun. Should be really cool. Where do we start? I guess we'll start in the front end. Not much to be said here, but I did get 2 different windshields from Memphis Shades. Shout out to them again. If you haven't seen that video, guys, go check it out. It's becoming pretty popular now, as people are kind of jumping more into the bagger scene. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's still nowhere near where the Dyna FXR scene is at all. But there's some people that have been there, done that with the Dynas. You know, they want to endeavor in something else, so they're jumping into baggers. So anyways, check that video out. But mainly the main thing here, besides that, I've gotten these LED, I guess, turn signals and daytime running lamps. I got them from Amazon, nothing crazy. I'll try to put the link for these below or above or wherever. Actually in the comment section I'll do that. So I got those off Amazon. Also, these lowers right here, these bad boys, got them from Amazon as well. They're like aftermarket. I saw that it matched the paint, so I'm like, oh, why not? So I got these as well. And they have a little pocket here. Some people do put, you know, speakers in there, or they actually get official ones to put speakers on them. But I don't think I'm going to do that. So I got the highway pegs off Amazon as well. Mirrors, so these came with the chrome mirrors. These are off Amazon also. I think they were like $40. Handlebar, the grips, also Amazon brand. I think they were Avon or something. They're actually pretty, got really good reviews. Oh snap, I'm missing the little clicker thing here. Oh well, I'll have to snatch one up somewhere. So yeah, so I got the grips, the mirrors. These are actually OEM, so I picked them up from Bagger Trader on Instagram. I got this and a few other things I'll show off when I get to them from that same person. So moving on, the handlebars. This is the first upgrade I did to the bike, and these are Factory 47. Let me come around here. Show off the brand, the badging. Factory 47 right there. I just love the look, and the fact that they came in denim black, I was like, oh my god, I gotta get these. So I did. I got them, and I installed them myself. I did all the work myself. But yeah, so these are Factory 47. Really love the look. I love how, I guess if I stand from this profile, oh man, it just looks so sexy. Really digging it. Let me know what you guys think about the bars. if you have bars on your bag or whatever bike you have, just let me know which ones you rock. What the hell? Anyways, on the Dyna, I had, man, what bars did I have on the Dyna? Oh, bunking. There we go. Had the bunking bars, which I really liked also. But yeah, so moving on, guys. Nothing done here. Everything is all stock. Obviously, I changed the center dash. This piece is also from Amazon. I think it was like $50. I don't even remember. But basically, I just had to use the rubber, I guess a little rubber gasket that goes on the tank from the OEM part. Attach it to this, and then boom. Came with the gas cap thing also, so that was perfect. It's good to go. Nothing really here. The only thing I did change out was the stock. I changed out the stock, what do you call it? Oh. What's up, man? I'm over here making a video. You're just making an appearance. What's up, man?
Yeah, special appearance.
There you go. Brooklyn Bobby in the building. Yo, that's so funny, man. Where were you? Over there? Oh, I didn't even see you, bro. I didn't even see you, man. That's how you know I wasn't looking, really. That's so funny. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Guys, let me pick this up in a second.
1 hour later.
Brooklyn Bobby in the building. That was so funny, man. I was over here recording and you just pulled up. Yo, be safe, man. Take it easy. You got it. Brooklyn Bobby in the building. Man, that was so funny. Had a great conversation with the guy. That's funny. Anyways, back to what we was talking about. All right, so along with the I guess the levers, I also picked up the black floorboards because these were chrome. So I got the matching set. I also have the brake pedal, but I didn't install the brake pedal because for me to get that in, I have to kind of take the whole pipe out, which I was not about to do at that moment. So I was like, nah, you know what? That's gonna stay like that. So I got the matching floorboards. I don't have the passenger pegs in black. I still have them in chrome. There's a lot of little things I have to blacken out still, but you know, little by little, guys, little by little. Nothing to the seat, nothing to the saddlebag except this little American flag decal thing. I got it on both sides, so you guys can see. That's basically there. Now the little latches on the lids, I did change those out. They were like silver color. I made them black, so nothing crazy there. And these fender support brackets also were chrome. Swapped those out as well, and now they're black, so pretty cool. Back profile looks pretty good. I was trying to get rid of this part just because it goes down too much. It looks a little weird, I guess, to me, but this whole thing, I have to get like a wiring harness and whole bunch of stuff just to kind of make that work without it. So I'm not about that life right now. So anyways, last but not least, the last thing I've done is the TBR pipe. This pipe sounds amazing, guys. I mean, I don't even know what to tell you. Like, it's just pure joy to listen to it. So without further ado, these were all the upgrades I've done. Let me let you guys off with a little listen to the pipe. Música, maestro. All right, so listen to this, guys. Woo. Oh my God. Amazing. Alright, ladies and gents, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, share it. Show me some love on IG. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters.